Our democracy works best when all eligible voters can participate. Native Americans have profoundly diverse backgrounds, but many Native voters experience the same substantial and unique barriers to participating in the non-tribal political process. These barriers include extreme physical distance from in-person voting, barriers to receiving mail, language access barriers. Another barrier that Native voters face are discriminatory voter ID laws and practices. Even where tribal ID is technically acceptable as voter ID, many times local election officials are improperly trained on these election laws and improperly refuse valid tribal ID when a Native voter attempts to vote using their tribal ID. State and local governments should do more to guarantee that existing laws that protect the freedom to vote are properly and equitably implemented. State and local governments can also work with tribal governments to establish polling locations within reservations, and where possible, have those polling locations staffed by tribal members. Another simple solution is for polling locations to have precinct maps that Native voters can use to point to their residents on that map. Importantly, Congress should pass federal legislation like the Native American Voting Rights Act to address the barriers that Native voters currently face.